Hello student, today our topic is percentage. As you know that in previous class we already discussed that to find the percentage, how we find the percentage. In percentage we convert percentage into the fraction into the percentage into the decimal, and ratio into the percentage. So our first topic is to find one quantity A as percentage of other quantity B. So what will be the percentage of one quantity to the other quantity? For example, express 20 kg as a percent of 80 kg. So how much percent 20 kg out of 80 kg? So we find the required percent A upon B into 100%. Means first we convert into the both in fraction and then multiply by 100%. 100% means 1. 100% means 100 upon 100, that 1. So we take other example. For the first topic, to find one quantity A as percentage of the other quantity B. Consider any student obtain obtain 430 marks out of 480 marks out of 600 marks. So how will we find the percentage? How many percent a student obtain 480 marks out of 600 marks? Then how much percent student secure the mark? So same, find one quantity A as percentage of the other quantity B. Means one quantity whatever he got, that is 480 marks, and the maximum mark is 600 marks. So how much percent student secure? So in this case we find student obtained mark is equal to 480, maximum mark is equal to 600, and required percent marks obtained by student. So first way, which is equal to, first way write in the fraction A upon B and just we multiply by 100%, means 480 marks out of 600 marks and then 100%. So which is equal to 6 times 6 8 is 48. So which is equal to 80% marks. 80% marks the student obtained in the class. Similarly, second, to find percentage of a quantity, that is to find percentage of a quantity. Second example, what is x percent of A. So x percent, first we write in the fraction form, that is x upon 100, and then of means multiply A. For example, what is 20% of 800? So 20% of 800, which is equal to 20 upon 100. 20% of 800, just we write in fraction 20 upon 100, of means multiply 800, and we divide 100 8 times, and 28 is 160. So what is the 20% of 800 amount? It may be in rupees, in kg. 20% of 800 is 160 kg. Similarly, we want to find the percentage of a quantity of any number. So just we write that percent into the fraction form, and then of means multiply and write the same quantity and simplify. Take other example. What is 40% of 1000? So this is also same. 40% means 40 out of 100, just we write in fraction and then multiply by 1000, means total quantity is 1000. So 20 cancel, means 10, and 40 into 10 is equal to 400. So it may be rupees. So what is the 40% of 1000 rupees? That is 400 rupees. In this way, we find the percentage of any quantity. So this type 3 question arises. First question, what is 20% of, what is 20%? First question is, what is 20% of 1000? So we find 20% of 1000. 20% means 20 upon 100 into 1000. So 20 cancel, and 20 tens are 200. So 200. 20% of 1000 is 200. Next question, second question arises from the same question. What is number? What is the number whose 20% is 200? This type question also asks, what is the number whose 20% is 200? So first we consider, let the number is x, and we find the 20% of x, which is equal to 200. So the solution of second question is, what is the number whose 20% is 200? So required number, let the number be x. According to question, 20% of that number means, what is the number whose 20% means 20% of this number is 200. So 20% of x is 200. Then we find 20% means 20 upon 100, of means multiply, x is equal to 200, and then we find the value of x, which is equal to, this is denominator 100. So just we multiply into the numerator, because denominator just we multiply in numerator 200 into 100, and this is 20. So divide by 20. 20 tens are 200. So x is equal to 100 into 10, that is 1000. So the number is 1000 whose 20% is 200. Next, From this question, from same question, third question also arises. Third question, what percent of 1000 is 200? This type question also asks, what percent of 1000 is 200? So we solve. Let x percent of 1000 is 200. X percent means x upon 100. So we don't know how many percent of 1000 is 200. So let we consider that x percent of 1000 is equal to 200. So in this way we find x percent, we convert the percent into the fraction. X percent means x upon 100, of means multiply, and 1000 which is equal to 200, and then simplify and find the value of x. X percent of 1000 is 200. We want to find the value of x, means how many percent. So 100 tens are 1000, so x into 10 is equal to 200. So x is equal to 200 upon 10, which is equal to 20. It means the value of x is 20%, means 20% of 1000 is 200. So question is same, but it may be asked different type. What is the number whose 20% is 2000? So let the number be x, and 20% of x is 2000. Then we find the value of x. Next point, percentage increase or decrease. Percentage increase or decrease. So increase rupees 90 by 20%. Consider you have 90 rupees and your money increased by 20%. So what is the required amount? Increase, the question is increase 90 by 20%. It means how much increase? First we find how much increase. So number increase, number it may be in kg, in rupees. Number increase is equal to, or increase, this is rupees. So increase rupees 90 by 20%. So increase is equal to how much? 20% of which number? Of rupees 90, means 20% increase of this amount. So 20% means 20 upon 100. Just we multiply 90, 20, numerator in numerator 20 and denominator also 20. So 9 2s are 18. So rupees 18 increase. So find the percentage increase or decrease. So increase how much? 18 rupees. So what is the total amount? We can find the required or total amount is equal to, initially it was 90 rupees and now it increased 18 rupees. So just we add 18, which is equal to rupees 108. So this is the required amount, means after increase 18 rupees, it become 108. So percentage increase or decrease. In same way we find the decrease of any amount. Consider question is decrease 70% of 2000. So if anyone have 2000 rupees and 70% rupees he or she spend, so how much decrease? So just we find decrease is equal to 70% of rupees 2000, which is equal to 70 upon 100, and half means just we multiply by the total amount, that is 2000. 1020 cancel, or just we 100 into 2000 divided by 100, it will be 20, and 20 into 70 is 70 into 20, so 20, and 7 to the 14, so rupees 1400 decrease. So what is the new amount after decrease? 1400. Initially it was 2000, and when it decreased 70% of 2000, so it become 2000 minus 1400. So new or amount remaining amount is equal to 2000 minus 1400, which is equal to rupees 600. So this type we find the increased value or decreased value, and also we find the total amount after the increase or decrease. Next topic, percentage change. Consider percentage change. The formula of percentage change, percentage, it may be percentage increase or decrease. So the formula is increase or decrease, increase or decrease value upon increase or decrease value upon original value into 100%. So percentage change means, so what is how much percentage change? Take one example. The height of a student increased from 160 to 180 centimeter, 160 centimeter to 180 centimeter. Find increase percent. So the height of a student increased from 160 centimeter to 180 centimeter. Find increase percent. Find increase percent. So how much height increase? So increased value, increased height is equal to the height of a student. Initially the original height is 160 centimeter. After increase it become 180 centimeter. So how much increase? So increased height is equal to 180 minus 160 centimeter, which is equal to 20 centimeter. So increased height is equal to how much? 20 centimeter. So we have to find the percentage increase. What is the formula of percentage increase or percentage decrease? Increase value or decrease value upon original value into 100%. So percentage increase is equal to increase value upon original value multiply by 100%. So increase value is 20 and original value is 160 multiply by 100%. So which is equal to 0 0 cancel, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 is 16, 100 upon 8 or 4 2 is 8, 4 25 is 100. So which is equal to 25 upon 2%, or we can write in the mixed fraction 2 12 is 24, 12 whole 1 upon 2%. So how much the height of student increase? How much percent? So 12 whole 1 upon 2%. So it is clear that percentage increase or decrease, we find the how much increase, divide by what was the initial value, original value, and just we multiply by 100%. Next, so here some question given. On increasing the price of a shirt, first question, on increasing the price of a shirt by 18%, it become rupees 826. What was its original price? Now in this question asking the original price. What is the original price? We don't know, so we consider let the original price is rupees X, or we write here solution. First, let the original price be rupees X, and on increasing the price of shirt by 18%, how many price increase? 18%. So increased value is equal to 18% of X, which is equal to 18 upon 100 X, or we can write 2 9s and 50s, 9 by 50 X. So after increasing the price of shirt 18%, it become 826, means the original value plus increased value both together when we add, so it become 826. Initially the price was 100 and 20 rupees increase. So what is the new price? 100 plus 20 is equal to 120 rupees. So here given the 826 rupees, this is new price. So here the original price was X, and how many increase? 18% of X. According to question, we solve the new price is equal to original price. What was the original price? That is X, and plus original price plus increased price. So original price was X and increased price is 18% of X, and which is equal to 826. Then we find X plus 18% of X, that is 9X upon 50, which is equal to rupees 826. Now simplify. 50 is LCM. 50X plus 9X is equal to 826 rupees, which imply that 59X is equal to 826, here cross multiply, 50 is divide here, so just we multiply by 50 and divide by 59. So the value of x is 826 divide by 59 and multiply by 50. So what is the value of x? 826 divide by 59, 59 ones are 59, 12 minus 9 is 3, and here 7 minus 5 is 2 and 6. So 236, 4 times 4 9s are 36, 4 5s are 20 and 3 23. So the value of x is 20, 14 into 50, which is equal to rupees 700. So similarly we solve this question also. The price of a ticket decrease from 80 to 60. So find the percentage decrease. First you find how much decreasing. So initially it was 80 rupees and after decreasing it becomes 60 rupees. So 80 minus 60 is 20. So 20 rupees decrease, and we find the decrease percentage decrease means decrease upon original value into 100. Similarly, next topic, percentage error means how can we find the percentage error. So error upon actual value into 100%. So on the basis of this formula we solve one question, that is question number 3. The given question is given, Piyush's marks in mathematics were wrongly read as 65 instead of 85. What is percentage error in the marks? Means the original marks of the Piyush in mathematics was 85, but by the mistake it read 65. So we find the what is the error in the marks, what is the percent error in the marks. So first we find how much error. So here solution 3. So Piyush error how much? Original mark first we write, original marks is equal to, original mark is equal to 85 and read as 65 marks instead of 85 marks. At the place of 85 marks it was read that 65. So we find the percentage error in the marks. So how much error? Error is equal to 85 minus 65, which is equal to 20 marks. So the error value is 20 marks, means 20 mark is error to read the original mark. So we find the percentage error. The formula of the percentage error, it is same as increase or decrease value, because increase, percentage increase is equal to increase value upon original value into 100%. So here percentage error, the error upon original value into 100%. So error, the formula is error upon original value into 100%. So error how much? 20 marks, and original mark was 85 and we find the percent. So in fraction we just multiply 100%, which is equal to 5 4s are 20, 5 17s are 85. So 400 upon 17%. This much percent was error. So we convert into the mixed fraction. 17 2s are 34, 60 and 17 3s are 51, 23 whole 9 by 17%. So error percent or percentage error is equal to 23 whole 9 by 17%. So 2, 4 and 5, this 3 question is homework. Thank you.